Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Soft Tech. In this video, we are going to learn something new. Let's start the video. Here you can see that we have two objects. Suppose that we want to insert some text in these objects, then how we can do that? So, we can do that with the help of the two methods. First one is the single line text method and second one is the multi-line text method. In this video, we are going to learn the first method, that is the single line text method. So let's see how we can insert the text. Okay. Let's see the keyboard command of the single line text method first. And the keyboard command is dt. You have to enter the dt in the command line and after that you have to press enter. Now you can see that it is asking you to specify the midpoint of the text, or if you want to justify some style, you can also do that. Here we don't want to justify the style, we just want to provide the midpoint of the text. So we are providing it. Now it is asking you to provide the rotation angle. If you want to provide the rotation angle, then do that. And if you don't want, then leave it by putting the rotation angle value 0 in the command line. And after that, press enter. Now you can see that a text box is highlighting or blinking. Here you have to write your text. So let's write some text here. So you can see that we have insert the or type the text here. Now if you want to come out from the text box, you just click outside the text box and after that press enter to completely come out from the text. Here you can see that we have insert some text in the box. If you want to move this text, you just have to select this text. Okay. And after that go to the move option. Then you have to provide the base point and after that you can move it. You have to check whether you have switched on the ortho mode option. If you have switched on the ortho mode option, then you have to switch off it so that you can easily rotate in every direction. Okay, now you can see that we can place the text as per the requirement. Okay, you can also rotate this text. Now let's see. If we want to provide the rotation angle and we want to justify the style also, then we have to do it again. Just in this time we are not using the command, we are just going to the ribbon bar. There we will get the text. Okay, after that click over the downward arrow, you will get the single line text and then provide the justify style from the command line. Now you can see that we have lots of option. Okay, select any one of it. Here I am selecting it. What? Middle center. Okay, now provide the middle point of the text. Now it is asking you to provide the rotation angle. Okay, so you have to provide it. then press enter. Now you can see that the text box is rotated along the 45-degree angle. Now you have to provide or type your text. Now you can see that we have easily entered the text in the objects. Let's move toward the location. Okay, so you will get the location in the draw menu bar. Okay, you will get the text option from there, and the second location is the ribbon bar. You will get the text from there also, and the third location is the draw toolbar. There you will get the text option. If you want to modify this text, you can also do that by going to the format menu bar, and you will get the text style there. You have to select the text style, and after that you can see that you have the current text style, that is standard. Okay, you have to provide the text. You can also provide it from here. You can see that there are lots of font name or font style. You have to select it. Font name is there, font style is also here, you can select. And after that you have, if you want to provide the text height, you can also provide it from here. Okay, and after that, after providing all these things, you have to click over the apply option, and after that set current, then you have to close it. Okay, so this is for all today. If anyone is new in this channel, then please subscribe to my channel Civil Soft Tech, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the latest videos. Like this video, share it, and do comments in the comment section. We are going to meet in the next videos with some new topics. Till then, bye bye and take care.